Hello friends, welcome to NEET World. This is your Abhilash Sir, Mathematics faculty for JEE, EAP set, K set and also Foundation. So we have started our discussion on differential equation. We have already done 2 sessions on differential equation. In the first session I did what is differential equation, order, degree and all these things to discuss, all the basics and types of differential equation and what do you mean by solution of differential equation and what is general solution, what is particular solution, all these things we discussed in the previous class. And then we started with each different types of differential equation. We started with what? Variable separable method and the equations reducible to variable separable method. So let us continue from there, but before that, when very important news I want to tell you, that is I told you from 1st July, that is from yesterday, the long term batch for JEE 2026 has started. And similarly NEET long term batch for JEE 22, I mean NEET long term batch for NEET, actually it has started okay from yesterday, that is 1st July. Even now you can enroll because you will get the recording of previous classes. That is one thing. Okay, and one more misconception that students have is when it comes to NEET world, they will think only BiPC is there. One thing you must understand, as you can see in the picture, we have both BiPC also and MPC also. For BiPC students we have NEET and for MPC student we have JEE, K set, EAP set, all these things. So get that misconception cleared. Okay, so we are having both for MPC stream also, BiPC stream also. Next, coming to our program, exciting news which I told you, that is JEE Mains long term program second batch is starting from when? It is starting from 15 July, that is in another 2 weeks. Okay, so please enroll and start preparing with us with confidence and clarity. Got it? And we have done the features about our program already. A YouTube session is already done. You can check in our NEET World YouTube channel when it comes to JEE long term program, what are the unique features that we have and how we are going to go about our courses. This is about JEE long term. Then what about NEET long term? For that also we are having second batch which is going to start from when? It is going to start from 15 July. Again, that is another 2 weeks more. So please enroll and prepare with us. Clear? So this is about our programs. Now let us continue our discussion on differential equations. So we have to do what? We have to do equations reducible to variable separable form, right? Let us have a look at these questions. Okay, now we had to do this question. Now we had to solve this question. Now have a look at this question. What they are telling, JEE Main 2022 question. This is JEE Main 2022 question. You may ask, such kind of questions are being asked. Yes, such kind of questions are also being asked. So what they are telling, let y is equal to y1 of x and y is equal to y2 of x. So they have given y1 and also y2. Be the two distinct solutions of differential equation. Distinct means different. So they are having two solutions, dy by dx x plus y, with y1 of 0 is equal to 0 and y2 of 0 is equal to, what is it? It is 1 respectively. Then they are asking what? Then the number of points of intersection of y is equal to y1 of x, y is equal to y2 of x. So basically what we have to find out here is, by solving the differential equation we have to bring it to a form, y1 I should get it and y2 I should get it. And on solving this, how many intersection points are there? Okay, how many intersection points are there? That we have to find out. That means how many solutions we are able to get. That will give us number of intersection points. If 2 solutions, 2 points of intersection. If 5 solutions, 5 points of intersection, like that. Got it, friends? That is the way we have to solve this question. Clear? So let us go about it. So first of all, what they have given? Dy by dx is equal to x plus y. Okay, this is what they have given. So let us write it as it is. Let us write it as it is. Dy by dx is equal to what it is? X plus y. So what I should do? I told you the condition for reducible to variable separable form is wherever you have ax plus by plus c, what you should do? You should put the value of t. So here x plus y, I will take it as t. X plus y, I will take it as t. Just a minute. X plus y, I will take it as t. So this becomes what, friends? X plus y will be equal to t. So let us differentiate both sides. This will become 1 plus dy by dx is equal to what? Dt by dx is equal to what? Dt by dx. Now dy by dx is what? X plus y. X plus y is nothing but what? T. So 1 plus t will be equal to dt by dx. Alright. Now 1 plus t is equal to dt by dx. Right. Now what I should do? I should do variable separable form. This again is converted into variable separable form, that is Vs form. Now let me multiply dx this side and this dt will come down. 1 plus t Okay, this will be integral. This is what I get, or I can write it like this. This I can write it to LHS and this I can write it to RHS. So this will become what? dt by 1 plus t is equal to dx, integral of this. Okay, integral of this. Okay, if I have to integrate this, what I have to do? Directly 1 by 1 plus t dt into integral of dx. So this is very simple integral. This will become what, friends? Log of mod 1 plus t. Log of mod 1 plus t is equal to integral of nothing means integral of 1 means it is x plus c. It is x plus c. So what did I get now? Log of 1 plus t x plus c. This is what I got. Now they have given, what is it that they have given? They have given this entire thing, this y is equal to y1 of x. So first case 1, let me take it. So if I take case 1, what it is? They have given, what is it that they have given? See here, case 1, what they have given? Y is equal to y1 of x. Y is equal to y1 of x. So this is case 1. This is case 1, correct? No. So if I put this value, that t value, I should put x plus y, but wherever y is there, I should put what? I should put y1. I should put what? 2 more days. I should put y1. So this will become what? Y is equal to y1. I should put it y1. So this will become what, friends? Log of 1 plus t. T will become what? X plus y1 plus x plus y1 plus 1. X plus y1 plus 1 is equal to x plus c. Is equal to x plus c. This is what I get, is equal to x plus c, I get it. Now if I do it what? If I take it separately, if I remove log, if I have to remove log, this will become what? X plus y1 plus 1 is equal to e power x plus c. E power x plus c, correct? No, e power x plus c. So this I can write it as what? This I can write it as, this will become what, friends? This will become equal to, or I can write it as just, I can write it as equal to, just see here, instead of writing e power x plus c, I will just write it e power x, or this constant, let me write it in terms of, instead of c, I will write it as plus e power c, This will become what? E power x into e power c. Okay, now it will become what? E power x, let this be c here, let it be c here itself. Now this will become what? E power x plus c. Let us keep it c itself, no need to complicate it. Clear? Got it? Now x plus y1 plus 1 is equal to e power x plus c. This is what I have. Then y1 will be equal to what? Y1 will be equal to e power x minus 1 plus c. This is what I have now. I got y1. Now I want what? I want y2. y2. But before that, what they are telling? Is they are telling that y1 of 0 is equal to 0. That means what, friends? y1 of 0 is equal to 0 means we have to put, what we have to put? We have to put x is equal to 0. At that time, y will be equal to 0. X is equal to 0. At that time, y will be equal to 0. So what we should do here? We have to put x is equal to 0. That time, y will be equal to 0. X is equal to 0. That time, y is equal to 0. So this will become what? This will become y1 is equal to e power 0 is what it is? y1 is e power 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancels. So this will be c. y1, this will also be, actually will be equal to 0, because if I put x is equal to 0, y will also be equal to 0. That means what? C will be equal to 0. Now I have to find case 2. We have to do what? We have to do case 2 now. Got it? We have to do case 2. Case 2 is what? Case 2 is what they are telling. Y is equal to y2 of x. So y is equal to y2 of x. So if I put y is equal to y2 of x, what is it that they are telling? Same thing, but here y is equal to y2 of x, but here y2 of 0 is equal to 1, they are telling. It is not equal to 0. y2 of 0 is equal to 1. So case 2, if I solve this, what I will get on solving this? I will get, see here, same thing I will get, log of x plus y2 plus 1 is equal to x plus c. So on removing log, what I will get? X plus y2 plus 1 is equal to, what is that? E power x plus c. Okay, c is constant, arbitrary constant. So y2 will be equal to what, friends? y2 will be equal to e power x minus 1 plus c. Okay, here c is different. Okay, you should not take c is equal to 0. Now what they are telling? When what is it? When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. This is what they are telling. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. This is what they are telling. As you can see here, when x is equal to 0, this is x. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So this becomes what? If I put the value, I have to put x is equal to 0 here, and y will become what? I have to check it. So this will become what? See here, observe carefully. x is equal to 0 I have to put, so y will become 1, y 1 is equal to e power 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, so c will become equal to what? So if I see, c will become equal to what? If we see, c will become equal to what? c will become equal to, if we see, c will become equal to, c here by 2, this will be equal to 1, so this will become equal to what? So this is what we have, y1, okay. Now this 1 will be equal to e power 0, 1 minus 1, c will become equal to 1, c will become equal to 1, we got c is equal to 1, we got c is equal to 1, we got c is equal to 0. Now what they are asking? Now what is that they are asking? They are asking how many solutions that they have, how many solutions that they have. If I put c is equal to 1 here, what will I get the particular solution? If I put c is equal to 1 here, I will get y2 is equal to e power x minus x minus 1 plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancels, I will have what? I will have what? E power x by 2 is equal to e power x minus 1. What do I have? y1. y1 is equal to what I have? y1 is equal to e power x minus 1. So y1 is equal to what I have? E power x minus 1, okay, minus x minus 1. So on comparing this, what I will get is, you have to observe, focus here carefully, and comparing this, what I will get is, see, this e power x will be equal to, so this will be actually, this will be c actually will get it as equal to 1. On comparing this, we will get e power x is equal to, actually it will be equal to e power x. So e power x I cannot cancel, that means there are no solutions, this will become no solution, I cannot cancel. So you can solve it many ways, but we are getting no solution. So no solution means what? You have to understand that the point of intersection here is 0. The point of intersection here is 0. No solution means the point of intersection is 0. That is clear. That is clear. So the point of intersection is here 0. Clear? Got it? The point of intersection here is 0. Clear? I hope it is clear to all of you. Now based on this, let us see some other questions. Here the point of intersection here is 0. So main point is not getting the equation, it is point of getting how many solutions we are able to get. By looking at this, we can directly say that we are able to get 0 solution. No solution means 0 point of intersection. That's it. Very clear. Let us move to the next question. So JEE Main 2020 question. So the solution of the differential equation dy by dx minus something is given. Okay, let us take the equation. Let us take the equation. We have to do the substitution definitely. So whenever log is there, I told you, let us use substitution for log itself. So this is what it is given. So if I put, what is given, let us write what is given first. dy by dx minus y plus 3x by log of y plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, this is what is given. I have to put what? I will put t is equal to log of y plus 3x. This gives me what? dt is equal to 1 by y plus 3x. I have to differentiate this also. This will be equal to what? dy by dx plus 3. dy by dx plus 3. Now I want only dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx plus 3 is nothing but equal to what? So this will become what? dt into y plus 3x is equal to dy by dx plus 3. Correct? No, dy by dx plus 3. Now y plus 3x is nothing but equal to what? Y plus 3x is equal to what? Y plus 3x will be given here. So y plus 3x will be equal to what? Here y e power t is nothing but equal to y plus 3x. Okay, so this will become equal to what, friends? E power t. E power t dt is equal to dy by dx plus 3. So dy by dx, here dy by dx plus 3. So see here dy by dx plus 3. dy by dx plus 3 is nothing but equal to what? So dy by dx plus 3, this will be equal to what? dy by dx plus 3 will be equal to, if I send it this side, this will become y plus 3x by log of y plus 3x, this is the value of dy by dx plus 3. If I put the value here, dy by dx plus 3 is equal to y plus 3x by log of y plus 3x, what I will get? So this will become equal to what? This will become equal to y plus 3x by log of y plus 3x. Here only I can substitute the values, y plus 3x. This is what I have. Now this implies what? This implies e power t dt. Okay, e power t dt is equal to what? E power t dt is equal to what? So dy by dx plus 3. So dy by dx plus 3 is there. So that will be equal to this one. So e power t dt is equal to y power 3x by log of y plus 3. So y plus 3x is nothing but equal to what? E power t. Okay, this gives us what? This gives us equal to, observe very carefully, this gives us equal to e power t dt will be equal to y plus 3x is nothing but equal to what? Y plus 3x is nothing but equal to e power t. And what about this one? What about this one? See here. What about this one? I'll have what? This will be equal to what? This is t is equal to log of y plus 3x. T is equal to log of y plus 3x. So I'll have what? This will be equal to what? This will be equal to t. E power t I can cancel. Now what do I have here in the function? You will leave something. Let us have a look at it. Let us have a look at it. Dy by dx plus 3, dy by dx plus 3. Okay, this is what we have. Now log of y plus 3x, e power t into y plus 3x. So they are asking, where c is a constant of integration. So they are asking this value. X minus, what is the value of c there? They are asking. Now we have to integrate this. Now what we have to do? We have to integrate this. Okay. So this will become what? Dt. Here we have dx also. Here we have what? Dt into, this is nothing but what? Dt into, actually this is dx is also there. Okay, dt, this dx is also there. So dy by dx plus 3, 1 by d, we have to, what we did? We have to differentiate with respect to x, no? We have to differentiate with respect to x. This gives us what? This gives us equal to, be careful, this dx will also be there, this dx will also be there. So that means what? This dx will also be there. Got it? Now what will happen? This 1 by t is there. Okay, this 1 by t is there, e power t cancel. I can send this t, what I can do for this t? I can send this t to the RHS or LHS. So this will become what, friends? If I send this t to LHS, this will become what? This will become equal to t dt is equal to 1 dx. T dt is equal to 1 dx. So this I have to integrate both sides. So integral of t is nothing but what, friends? Integral of t is nothing but, this gives me equal to, integral of t is nothing but equal to t square by 2. T square by 2 is equal to, what is it? I have x plus c. I have x plus c. I have x plus c. Now t is nothing but what? Y plus 3. Y plus 3x. T is nothing but what, friends? Y plus 3x. So y plus 3x whole square by 2 is equal to x plus c. Okay, is equal to x plus c. Now c will be equal to what? If I put the values here, c will be equal to x minus 1 by 2. Okay, x minus 1 by 2, y plus 3x whole square, y plus 3x whole square, that is nothing but equal to what, friends? That is nothing but equal to which option? X minus 1 by 2, y plus 3x whole square. Actually it should be log, right? Be careful, t is nothing but just, it is not just y plus 3x, it is log. I have to put log also. So this will become what? Just some slight error, just put log also, that's it. Log of y plus 3x minus log of y plus 3x whole square is including the log. So we got the answer as what? That is nothing but equal to option A. That is nothing but equal to option A. This is JEE Main 2020 question. That is option A is the right answer to this question, friends. Option A is the right answer to this question. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, option A is the right answer to this question. Clear? So, all right, let us move to the next question, friends. Let us move to the next question. I think next we have homogeneous equations. Okay, we have homogeneous differential equations. So when it comes to homogeneous differential equation, the word homogeneous, you must have heard about it in chemistry also. Homogeneous solution, heterogeneous solution. Okay, or you must have heard in various parlance. Okay, in various dimensions also. Homo means you should understand that we are talking about something that is similar or uniform. Okay, so homogeneous. Homogeneous means here you have to understand that the order is always same. The order is always same. That is, in a given differential equation, the order remains the same throughout in all the terms. Okay, suppose I write here. Okay, each term has same degree. Here the degree is what? Here degree is what? 3. Okay, you can say it's not, instead of the order you can say degree. It's not the order. You should say that it is degree. Degree is what? Here 3, here 3. So it is 3 only. Each term. Here degree is 2. Each term, I am talking about term. So here it is 1 and 1, so 1 plus 1 it is 2. You should not consider it as 1. So it is 1 plus 1, it will become 2. It is not the order, you should consider as degree. Here it is 3, and what about this? 2 plus 1, this will become 3. 2 plus 1, this will become 3. So we got the degree as 3 in each of the terms. Such an equation is called what? Homogeneous differential equation. So how to solve such homogeneous differential equation? Here we have to do some substitution, then it will convert to what? It will convert to a form where it will become again variable separable form, and we have to follow the procedure which we followed for variable separable form. Clear? So see here, as you can observe, this is homogeneous differential equation, all terms are same or uniform. Okay, dy by dx is equal to f of x by xy comma f of x comma y divided by g of x comma y. Each and every term in the function f of x, which function f of x and g of x are of the same degree. That means they are all in each term the degree is same. That is what you have to consider. That is the meaning of homogeneous differential equation. Here what you have to do, if you have to get it into the form of dy by dx, put y is equal to vx, put y is equal to vx, then what you will get? This you have to differentiate. That is we are using UV rule. Then if you want dx by dy, put x is equal to what? Put x is equal to v into y. Okay, put x is equal to v into y, then you do accordingly. Then you will get it into which form? Again to the previous form, that is variable separable form. That is the previous form, which is nothing but variable separable form. Got it? So let us have a look at this question. So solution of the differential equation. So what they have given? They have given x times dy by dx is equal to y times something they have given. So how to solve this question? So first of all, what I will do is dy by dx is given, x is given, this x I will send it to RHS, this will become y by x into log y. Okay, log y minus log x I can write it as what? Log a minus log b can be written as log of a by b. So log of y by x plus 1. Okay, log of y by x plus 1. This is what I have. Now what I can do dy by dx? Okay, dy by dx is there, y by x into log of y by x plus 1. Now I can put y by x is equal to some term I can put, that is I can substitute the value for this one y by x. So v is equal to y by x, I will put it. So this implies y is equal to vx, that is the substitution we wanted. Now if I differentiate, I will get dy by dx is equal to v plus x times dv by dx, x times dv by dx. What is dy by dx? dy by dx is nothing but what, friends? dy by dx is nothing but what we have here. It is nothing but v times log v plus v, that is nothing but equal to v plus x into dy by dx. Okay, here also we have v, here also we have v, we can cancel. Let me bring it to LHS, let me bring it to RHS and do it. Okay, this will become what? X times dv by dx is equal to v log v, that's it. X times dv by dx is equal to v log v. Now what I can do? This is in the form of variable separable form. Now it is very easy to integrate this now. So this will become what? 1 by v log v into what it is, into dv is equal to 1 by x dx, integral of this is. Okay, so here I have to do what? Substitution as, I have to put substitution as log v, that will give me 1 by v into dv. So if I put log v is equal to t, so this will become, actually this will become integral of 1 by t dt. This will become integral of 1 by t dt. This I am writing directly. This will be equal to 1 by x dx. This will be equal to what? 1 by x dx. So here what I did, log v is equal to, I put t. So 1 by v dv is equal to what? It is nothing but equal to dt. So 1 by v dv is nothing but equal to dt. So 1 by t into dt is equal to integral of 1 by x dx. So 1 by t is nothing but log t, integral of 1 by t, log of mod t, this is log of mod x. So constant what I can write, since everything is in log, constant also I'll write it in log. So this will be log c. Okay, this is what I got. Now what I can do, this will become log of a plus log of b is nothing but equal to log a plus log b is nothing but log of ab. So this will become log t is equal to log of xc. Now if I remove log, this will become what? This will become equal to t is equal to x into c, t is equal to x into c, but t is nothing but what? T is nothing but equal to log v. T is nothing but equal to what? T is nothing but equal to log v, correct? No, t is nothing but equal to log v. So log v is equal to xc, log v is equal to xc. So this becomes what? Log v is equal to xc. Now v is equal to what? V is equal to e power xc, v is equal to e power xc. Now v is equal to what? But what is the value we put for v? What is the value that we put for v? Observe here carefully. V is equal to, we took it as y by x. So y by x we can write it as c here, y by x we can write it as c here. This becomes what? V is nothing but equal to y by x. So y by x is equal to e power xc. So y is equal to what? X times e power xc, x times e power xc. That is the answer we got. Which option we have? Y is equal to x times e power xc, that is nothing but option, A. Option A is the right answer. That is what we got. You can observe here carefully. All of you please observe. I am minimizing it so that if you want you can take the screenshot of the solution. Very simple. So this is the way to solve this question, homogeneous equation. So homogeneous equation, we have to put, if you want it in dy by dx, put v is equal to what? Put v is equal to or y is equal to vx. If you want it in dx by dx by dy, we have to put x is equal to vy. That's it. Okay, we will solve some more questions on this in the next class. I will wind up now. Thank you. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.